Welcome to this guided meditation. In moments of anxiety, our breath can become shallow and rapid, fueling our stress. By focusing on our breath, we can quickly calm our mind and body, creating a sense of peace. This 5-minute breathing meditation is designed to help you alleviate anxiety fast. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, and let's begin. Begin by closing your eyes and taking a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Let your body relax, releasing any tension you may be holding on to. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any stress or worry. Repeat this breathing pattern. Inhale deeply. Hold. And exhale slowly. Focus your attention on the rhythm of your breath. With each inhale, imagine you are breathing in calmness and peace. As you exhale, visualize all tension leaving your body. Feel your chest rise and fall with each breath, and allow your mind to rest on the sensation of breathing. Continue this pattern, letting each breath guide you deeper into a state of relaxation. Notice the cool air as it enters your nostrils and the warm air as you breathe out. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Remind yourself that in this moment, you are safe and there is nothing else you need to do. Breathe in calm. Breathe out tension. As you continue to breathe, repeat these affirmations silently or out loud. I am calm and in control. I release all tension and embrace peace. My breath is my anchor. It grounds me in the present moment. I am safe, and everything is okay. As you continue breathing, imagine a soft, warm light surrounding your body, dissolving any remaining anxiety. With each exhale, let go of any lingering worry, allowing your body to feel lighter and more at ease. Inhale calm. Exhale tension. You are creating space for peace. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Calm, centered, and more in control. You can return to this practice anytime you need to find peace in the present moment. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, share your thoughts or experiences in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more guided meditations. Until next time, take care.